Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss Anik and friends. So today we are presenting our presentation about United Nations World Tourism Organization or UNWTO. So the content of our presentation is about the profile, history, vision and mission, role in industry, and the member who should join this organization. So before we start our presentation, I will introduce ourselves. My name is Revan Gasya Putra. There is Sabila Trideska, Ilona Indrasta Parahita, and Mutia Anggraini. And the first material will be delivered by Ilona.
So I will explain about the profile of UNWTO. So UNWTO is United Nations World Tourism Organization. It's the United Nations agency responsible for the promotion of responsible, sustainable, and universally accessible tourism. UNWTO promotes tourism as a driver of economic growth, inclusive development, and environmental sustainability. It offers leadership and support to the tourism sector in advancing knowledge and tourism policies worldwide. It generates market knowledge, promotes competitive and sustainable tourism policies, fosters tourism education and training, and works to make tourism an effective tool for development through technical assistance projects in over 100 countries around the world. UNWTO membership includes 159 member states, 6 associate members, and over 500 affiliate members representing the private sector, educational institution, tourism association, and local tourism authorities.
Okay, so the history of the birth of UNWTO itself began in 1925. In 1925, the International Congress of the Official Tourist Traffic Association (ICOTT) was formed in the Netherlands. In 1934, ICOTT changed its name to the International Union of Official Tourist Publicity Organization or IUOTPO. After the end of World War II, IUTPO became the International Union of Official Travel Organization, or IUOTO. At the IUOTO General Assembly in 1967, the role of establishing intergovernmental institutions that collaborated with other international bodies, especially the UN, emerged. Finally, with UN agreement, UNWTO was born in 1970. On 27 September, the IUOTO Special General Assembly meeting in Mexico City adopts the status of the World Tourism Organization, and this day will be celebrated as World Tourism Day.
Okay, I'm sorry. For the vision and mission from UNWTO, UNWTO have a vision to acknowledge the most pressing challenges facing tourism and identifies the sector's ability to overcome them and to drive wider positive change, and including the opportunities responsible tourism offers for the advancement of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Okay, next. And then for the mission from UNWTO, number one is making tourism smarter through celebrating innovation and leading the digital transformation of the sector. And the second one is making tourism more competitive and every level through promoting investment and promoting entrepreneurship. And then creating more and better jobs and providing relevant training in tourism and building resilience and promoting safe and seamless travel and harnessing tourism unique potential to protect cultural and natural heritage and to support communities both economically and socially. And then the presentation will continue with Rifan. The next one is the role UNWTO in tourism industry. The first one is for advocacy and mentorship. So UNWTO serves as a global advocate for the tourism industry, promoting the vital role of the sector in economic growth, poverty alleviation, and cross-cultural understanding. The second one is for policy development. UNWTO contributes to the development of international tourism policies, providing guidelines and standards that assist member countries in optimizing their tourism potential. The third one is empowerment of local communities. Through its program, UNWTO strives to ensure that tourism empowers local communities, respect human rights, and promote sustainable development in tourism destinations. The fourth one is global tourism promotion campaign. So through promotional campaigns and collaboration with various stakeholders, UNWTO helps introduce tourist destinations to the international community, enhancing their attractiveness and tourist visits. And the last one is crisis and disaster response. So UNWTO plays a role in assisting member countries in addressing the impacts of crisis and natural disasters on the tourism sector, including the recovery of the industry after such events. And the member who should join UNWTO is the first one is member countries. Countries with tourism industries or interest in tourism should become members of UNWTO to participate in international cooperation and the formulation of common policies. The second one is tourism industry. Companies in the tourism industry, including airlines, hotel companies, tour operators, and travel agencies, to contribute and receive guidance on policies and best practices. The third one is tourism-focused non-governmental organization. Non-governmental organization focusing on sustainability, cultural preservation, and community development related to tourism.
Okay, the next is education and research institution. Institution involved in tourism studies and human research development in the tourism sector. And then relevant international organization. Other international organizations relevant to tourism, such as the World Health Organization, like WHO for health issues, UNESCO for cultural heritage preservation, and others. And the last one is civil society. Civil society groups representing the interests and aspiration of the local community related to tourism.
I think that's all for our presentation today. And I'm sorry if there is any mistake from us. Thank you for listening and see you on the next presentation. Bye-bye.
Bye.